Welcome to Yummy's Kitchen. Good day, everyone. Today I'm making my favorite fish dish, Tuna Caldereta. This is a stew or soup that is very traditional in Basque Country, Spain, where I lived for a few months. They call this Marmitako because it is cooked on a clay pot. The same as paella. They call it paella because they use paella pan to cook the rice. Spanish of tuna is atún. It sounds funny because it seems backward of tuna. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share, and press the notification button to get an update of our new videos. Thank you. Ciao. See you the next one. Bye.